Hi, welcome to my channel and thank you for playing this video. Our topic today is all about celebrities and corporations that practice Feng Shui. But before we start, please watch this clip. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment, or like this video. Now back to our video. Alright, welcome back. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to my Facebook group. It's in the screen. I give more information and I give free date activation that you can use that you can use for your water activation. Next is if you wish to learn more about Chinese metaphysics and you want to turn this into a side gig, I'd like to invite you to my website. I have courses there available that you can actually choose from and see which one suits you. Right? Now, going back to our main topic, it's all about celebrities and corporations that practice Feng Shui. This topic, to be honest, is one of the most exciting topics that I've researched on, and I'm glad to share this with you. Okay, the first celebrity. By the way, if you want to learn more about all the information that I have here, of course, I will give credit to where credit is due. It's actually in the caption. This is where I get all the information that I am actually showing you. All right. So the first celebrity I'd like to share with you is Oprah. Yes, Oprah Winfrey. She is a strong believer, or who actually practices Feng Shui in her space. As a matter of fact, she has a very long quote about it. And if you're not familiar with Oprah, which I doubt, Oprah is one of the first few African American female to turn into a billionaire. And she recently interviewed Meghan Markle and Prince Harry, and she's the owner of Harper Productions. Right? So next celebrity I'd like to share with you is Bill Gates. This actually surprised me that the owner of Windows or Microsoft is actually a person who actually practices Feng Shui. Yes, he does. As a matter of fact, he actually consulted somebody in one of his mansions to make sure that the space is actually following the right Feng Shui. Alright. Next is Steven Spielberg. Yes, the award-winning director that actually directed Saving Private Ryan, E.T., and so on. He has a lot of movies that Jurassic Park. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, so he practices Feng Shui in his living space, even in his production company. He consults somebody or a Feng Shui master to do the Feng Shui for his important spaces. Okay. Next is Richard Branson. This I knew for quite a while. Richard Branson is another billionaire, or is a billionaire that actually owns the Virgin brand, Virgin Mobile, Virgin Airlines, all the Virgin brands. It's his, and yes, he makes sure that every space or every living space that he has follows the right Feng Shui. All right. The next celebrity, which is surprising, is Johnny Depp. Yes, he's the star of the Pirates of the Caribbean. And as a matter of fact, when I read the article, it actually said there that he has on a monthly basis, he pays for Feng Shui master, as part of his payroll. I hope that's clear. But anyway, so he does have Feng Shui consultant that he regularly consults. All right. Next is this really shocked me, is Rupert Murdoch, the owner of Fox Channel and the father of tabloid. He actually has been practicing Feng Shui since the 90s, and as a matter of fact, when a consultant actually told him to transfer to a different building, he followed the instruction. He made sure that everything that the Feng Shui master says, he follows. Okay, so he's a strong believer, or who actually uses Feng Shui in his living space or his working space. Yes. All right. Now, in addition to them, these are not the only, by the way, celebrity that practice Feng Shui. There's a long list. But of course, I had to mention a few that are much more or who are very well known. Okay, so if you want to learn more, again, do click the link below so you can actually do your own research. Or you can simply just Google it. Alright, okay, so next is the list of corporations that actually practice Feng Shui in designing their spaces. Okay, the number one company, not the number one company, but the first company I'd like to share with you is Proctor Gamble. And Proctor Gamble own the following brands. They've been practicing Feng Shui in designing their spaces, their office space, their factory, and so on and so forth. Alright? Next is McDonald's. Yes, you can Google that, and the article is also in this caption. They've been practicing Feng Shui in all their branches, and as a matter of fact, there was even an article that actually talked about it, and it's in the caption box. Next is Coke and Nike. I don't think these brands need any introduction. They're very good at branding. So there. These are actual brands that actually use Feng Shui in designing their office space. Okay, next is Wall Street Journal. Interesting. And Ford Motor Company. Of course, these are not the only list, or this is not the only list that I have. Again, if you want to learn more, please click the link below. Alright, thank you so much. I hope you actually enjoyed this video because I did researching on this. And I hope you learned something today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!